What happens when you leave Bangalore before sunrise and reach a place that feels like another world? This is the start of our journey from Bangalore to Wayanad, and the first stop is pure calm. Pookode Lake is not just a tourist spot, it feels like a natural pause button in Wayanad. Surrounded by dense evergreen forests and rolling hills, the lake sits quietly in a bowl-shaped valley, almost hidden from the rush of the outside world. The moment you step in, everything slows down. Footsteps, thoughts, even time. The entry fee here is approximately 40 rupees for adults and 30 rupees for children between 5 and 12 years old. And if you're bringing your camera gear, there's an additional charge of around 50 rupees for still photography and 300 for video. You can choose from a 2-seater pedal boat for around 300 rupees, or a 4-seater pedal boat for approximately 450 rupees, or a 7-seater row boat for 700 rupees. Each ride lasts for about 20 minutes, just enough time to take in the views, enjoy the calm waters, and experience the peaceful atmosphere of the lake. It's a chance to slow down, disconnect, and let nature take over for a while. The stillness of the lake, the surrounding greenery, and the cool air makes this one of those places where you don't rush, you simply exist in the moment. There's a peaceful walkway around the lake where every step feels intentional. Other than boating, you can try out the fish spa and check out the aquarium. Wayanad isn't just quiet nature, it's also a living culture waiting to be experienced. Our next stop is En Ooru Tribal Village. It's a short drive from Pookode Lake. After another jeep ride, we arrived at a place that carries the soul of Wayanad, called En Ooru Tribal Village. En Ooru, which translates to My Village, is a tribal heritage village created to showcase the traditions, lifestyle, art, music, and culture of Wayanad's indigenous communities. Walking through the village feels like stepping into another time where homes are built with natural materials and every structure reflects generations of knowledge and tradition. What makes En Ooru even more unforgettable is where it's located. Perched on top of a hilltop, the village overlooks the vast landscapes of Wayanad. Rolling green hills, forests wrapped in mist, and the valleys that seem to go on forever. Standing there, it honestly felt like we were above the clouds. As we explored further, the village opened into a lively marketplace lined with small local shops. From handcrafted art and tribal souvenirs to freshly prepared local food, every stall felt personal and deeply connected to the culture of Wayanad. One of the most interesting parts of En Ooru was the museum-style setup inside the village. It gave us a deeper look into the history, lifestyle, traditions, and everyday life of the tribal communities of Wayanad.
भाई खाना है
The highlight of the evening was witnessing the traditional tribal music and dance performance. The powerful drum beats, synchronized movements, and vibrant energy made it feel less like a show and more like experiencing a tradition that has been passed down through generations. And that's how our first day in Wayanad came to an end. From the peaceful waters of Pookode Lake to the vibrant culture and traditions of En Ooru Tribal Village. Wayanad already feels like more than just a destination. It feels like an experience, and this is only the beginning of a journey. I hope you enjoyed watching this episode. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.